Panoorin natin tong No Poker Face at All. Let's go, let's see.
So you never
I
fold?
never fold. Especially to you, no.
It's not personal.
So ayun, hindi raw siya magpo-fold, lalo-lalo na sa kanya. So ayun, panoorin na natin yung flop, tignan natin.
Mizrachi pairs his 5.
4, 5, 1. Okay. 2 pair yung ace 4, tapos pero 5 naman yung 8, 5. Okay, tignan natin kung paano sila maglaban. Pero ang swerte ng ace 4 ha. 2 pair kagad siya. Tignan natin sa turn tsaka sa river.
2 pair for Koplamar.
Now Coplin was really hoping you never fold.
Grinder checks to the Estonian. Who's continuing for 3,600.
So far, so good.
Ang laki ng bet ng ace 4. 3,600. Sabi niya syempre di siya magpo-fold 8-5. Sige, tignan natin kung call siya.
Good for this kid.
There's the call from Grinder.
Kumol, okay.
Oh, Grinder improves to 2 pair, but he's still...
Nag 2 pair yung 8-5. So lalo siyang call siya. May dahilan siya para kumol.
a 9-1 dog.
Best turn ever for Koplima.
Grinder now leads.
Nauna na mag-bet yung 8-5. Okay, panoorin natin.
8,000.
I kind of like a raise here. The problem is he probably knows Grinder.
Lamang pa rin yung ace 4 ha. Ayan, pero nakakahabol yung 8-5 pero syempre talo pa rin siya. Lamang pa rin yung ace 4, tuloy natin. Tignan natin kung aabot sila sa river.
Led with a set before, so maybe doesn't want to get too nuts.
He just calls. The river. Here's another 8. Grinder rivers a boat.
Another 8 yung lumabas sa river. So full house na ngayon yung 8-5, yung never fold daw. Full house na siya.
This is beyond hilarious. How does he do this?
Tignan natin kung malaki mapapanalo na itong 8-5. Full house siya.
Also, how does he not win every tournament? And you still love him.
He bombs it.
Really?
Ang laki ng bet niya, 30k. Tignan natin kung makukall.
More than 30k.
Ang title, No Poker Face at All. Tignan natin kung wala bang poker face talaga.
You have it?
So, tinatanong siya. Yung sagot niya.
As long as you don't got it, then I got it.
What to rep?
Huh?
6-7? I'm 6-7? I'm not folded yet.
You will.
So he wanted me to call.
No, I want you to raise.
Tama nga naman, no? Gusto niya mag-raise siya. Siyempre, pulaw siya eh. Tignan natin kung kukol o pupold. Pero kung para sa akin, ace 4 ako. Yung 4 ko mababa, syempre matatabunan na siya ng 5. Kasi syempre 2 pair na, ace 8. So bali wala yung 4. Eh paano kung hawak ng kalaban ace 9? Eh di matatalo pa rin ako sa kicker. Ace 4 ipofold ko yan kung ako. Kasi ilalagay ko rin siya sa ace yung kalaban ko eh. Sa kicker magkakatalo. Pero tignan natin kung kukol siya o magpo-fold yung ace 4.
Look how confident I look.
You always have a nuts when you pet pig.
I know.
Always. Almost always. Maybe not this time.
No, he does.
Good fold.
Nice pair.
Ang galing nag-fold yung ace 4. Pa-fold ka talaga pagka gano'n. Siyempre bali wala na lang yung 4 mo. Kasi may pair of 8 na. Ace 8 na. Kicker lang na 9 kalaban. 10 pataas. Talo ka na eh. Kaya good fold sa ace 4.
You want to see it? I don't know if you want to see it. You don't want to see it. It's pretty ugly.
Ayan, kung gusto nyo pa na mga ganitong video, subscribe na kayo. Ayan, Tagalog Poker Commentary. Ayan, shoutout sa Poker Philippines.